Ciao, my name's Ben, and I'm one of the two creators of Chapter 6. And today, we're looking at my street photography in the city of Brescia. Located in Lombardy between Lake Iseo and Lake Garda. This was last Monday, one of the only sunny days of these past couple weeks. So my main goal of this shoot was to capture interesting harsh lighting and shadows. I went later in the afternoon so the sun wasn't directly on top, giving more sideways and complex light spots through the narrow streets of the city. A lot of these photos were shot by waiting for a person to walk past the scene, which is a technique called the fishing technique. I'll probably do a video on it, as is one of the main tactics I use when I'm out on the streets doing photography. After a stroll around the center, I arrived on a bridge that goes over the railroad, and immediately I was excited because I love taking photos on bridges. I really like the clean aesthetic I can get with them, as well as the concept in general. As you can see with these photos, I changed my edit to a more dramatic and filmic Blade Runner type, working more with the silhouette of the subject, the man, and the cityscape he's walking towards. These have to be my favorites of the day, because of the story that can be told and the overall aesthetic. Here, I was low-key stalking this man, trying to frame him with the building behind him, and moments after, in front of this Giornale di Brescia sign. Another one of my favorites is this one of a blurry Mercedes. A complete accident and fluke, as I was focusing on the man behind it. I just love the vibe. And finally, the last one of the day, playing with the reflection of the building just as the sun was setting. Waiting there for a little while until a subject walks through the frame, again using the fishing technique. Overall, I'm super satisfied with the walk and the results in general. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. You can also follow us on Instagram, the Chapter 6, or on my personal page, Ben Lusci, or on Andrew's page, Andrew Molchan. Thank you for watching, and see you next week.